Hello friends, today we are going to practice some forearm rotation activities as part of hand therapy in neurorehabilitation. Many people, because of tightness or spasticity, may find that their elbow range is not complete, but usually the one that is focused on is the bending of the elbow and the extension, but not the rotation. The first exercise takes the hand in two extremes. The rotation outward, where you're supposed to take your hand behind your head. In this, you might find that your elbow is forward. Try to stretch it back as much as possible and then give a hold and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The head provides a good support, but if you think that your arm is too weak, you can clasp your hands and try to use both hands for this activity. The second part is trying to take your hand behind your back. So initially you might think that your hand is only going this much. It's okay. You can count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then bring it forward. Every time try to increase the angle. The way to do that is use the spine as the reference. So try to take it higher. Someone can create a mark for you till the point where you have to take your hand. Stop over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then bring it back forward. The third part is purely rotating your forearm by trying to touch your cheeks. So if you touch your cheek on the opposite side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then at the same side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way, you rotate your forearm completely. The next exercise is the one that we did before with the cheeks. We're going to repeat it around the neck, taking the range further. So trying to cup your hand around your neck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Always bring it down before attempting the next one. And then the same side cupping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and bring it back down. The next activity is rotating by holding an object in your hand like a stick. So your hand is usually in a grasp position and it is palm down. You hold the stick with it and try to rotate first with your elbow straight so that it is a rotation of your shoulder. At each end you have to give a 5-second hold. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You will have the tendency to shrug your shoulder or to move your elbow inward and outward while doing it. That is why it is important to stabilize the elbow, and if possible, someone can stabilize your shoulder as well. Next, try to do the same activity with your elbow bent, again stabilizing it so that it's not the movement of the elbow but of the forearm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring it back. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let me know in the comments below if you found these shoulder and elbow rotation activities helpful for your hand therapy by liking the video, subscribing to the channel for more videos related to hand therapy and neurorehabilitation. Ring the bell icon for notifications and add any query or suggestions in the comments below. We'll meet again soon. Bye.